Right, so bit of a patch up on this job. I'm going to show you it in a sec, but basically they've taken some old tiled sills off and just want to modernise and plasterboard and skim basically. So have a little look at this and I'm going to explain what I'm going to do with it. After itching my nose, of course. So yeah, basically what we want to do is get this boarded, but let me explain something. What I've had to do with the boards that I've cut is just to make sure to keep them back a bit. See this edge here? This is very important. And what we want to do is stick these on and then get a bead in line with this existing bead. You don't want to cut the board right the way out to this edge and end up with your bead coming over the top. It will mean you'll either have to rebead the whole thing or it's just going to look crap when you blend it in. So let me get this stuck and I'll show you the process after that. Bye bye. Right, I'm back. Thank God they all said, what will we do about your plastering videos, eh? Right, so I want to get perfectly cut bead here in order to get a nice blend. Get your mark. Should be absolutely fine. Check it that way as well. Perfect. Right. So we've got what we wanted to achieve, which is this bead meeting up with the existing and the same on this side. Right, so there we go. This is all of the sills ready for action. Right, 3 window sills taken care of. That one, all patched up into the original. That one as well. Job done. It looks a bit scabby, but it's not, guys, honestly. It really is lovely and smooth. Ready for painting.